Samsung A3 2016. This phone is a little bit old and the battery doesn't reach the end of the day. Let's see if I can solve the problem by replacing it. Ciao, my name is Mirko and this is how I restore it. First, I check the smartphone to see if it has other problems besides the battery life. Everything seems to be fine, so I proceed. Next step, a complete backup of the device. When performing certain jobs, you are never sure of the result, and saving everything is fundamental, you never know. Now, after draining the battery almost completely, I proceed with the work. I remove the SIM card, I heat the back with a heat gun, and using various tools, I try to remove the cover without breaking or scratching it. Calmly, there's no hurry. Something sharper is needed. Finally, now it should be simpler, but always very carefully. I use everything: plastic sheets, plastic picks, anything that allows me to detach the cover safely. After about an hour, it finally opens. Now the easy part. Remove the screws. Once this is done, I can remove the metal frame, always with great delicacy. The battery is a traditional one, but it's glued to the middle frame. It will be very difficult to remove it. Better unplug the motherboard first and secure it. I insert a piece of plastic and isolate the battery. Disconnect the various connectors. And remove the black screw. The motherboard comes off easily. Now that it's gone, it will be easier to disconnect the battery, or so I thought at the beginning. I tried everything, but it doesn't move. After about 30 minutes, I try with an extreme method. I will use the battery cover as a lever to lift it. Finally, I can put the motherboard back in place. Test the new battery. Let's see. I turn it on. It works. It's a little drained, but it works. I remove the strip of paper that I put to prevent the battery from sticking. I put the battery back. And then the metal frame. The screws. Alright, now let's move to the back cover. The adhesive has gone, better using some glue. After cleaning the glass cover, I add the glue. I will use industrial adhesive in the parts where the double-sided adhesive was present. I placed the cover and used some plastic clips to hold it. I leave it all night. The next day, I remove the clips and any residual glue from the sides of the phone. I put the SIM card back and we are done. Time required about 1 day. Samsung A3 2016. It was more difficult than expected to replace this phone battery, because the stickers used are very powerful. But in the end, I did it, and I must say it was quite fun. This smartphone is still usable today, and now for a long time with the new battery. If you like the video, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social. Ciao!